Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session number 2, revision of connected forms of base series alphabets. Exercise number 2. And the words which we studied in the previous exercise are again on the screen in a connected form. You are seeing them. Read the words aloud and then write each one 5 times, okay? Pronounce each word aloud as you write it. The diacritical marks are provided to help you read the words the first time you see them, but you can leave them out when writing again, okay? I pronounce all these for you one by one so you can easily understand them and then try by yourself, okay? So the first one is ba, baba, baba. Next one is bath, bath. And this one is ab, then it's up, up. This one is papa, papa. This one is bina, and this one is ata, ata. This one is bata, and this one is in, and this one is nap, and sorry, I forgot to put the diacritical marks over this word, so I'm going to put diacritical mark zabar on be, and the next one is on te. So there are two diacritical marks over be and te. This diacritical mark is called zabar sign, okay? So it's bata, okay? Try to write all these words 5 times each, okay? And pronounce them aloud as you write it, okay? So that's it for today's session. Have a good day to all of you. Till the next session, Allah Hafiz and take care.